Have you ever wanted to build a successful faceless YouTube channel, but didn't know where to start? What if one AI tool could research your niche, write your scripts, generate realistic voiceovers, create videos, design thumbnails, optimize SEO, and even help you publish your content, all from one dashboard? Well, in today's video, I'm reviewing AutoChannel AI, a brand new AI platform that's designed to automate almost the entire YouTube content creation process. And here's something special. If you decide to get AutoChannel AI through my link, you'll also receive 6 exclusive premium bonuses absolutely free, including Email Marketing Mastery Guide, Social Media Content Pack, List Building Profit, Digital Marketing Video Course, AI Marketing Video Course, Top 20 AI Tools. Bundle 2026, these bonuses are designed to help you grow your online business even faster. So, make sure you watch this review until the end, because I'll explain everything you need to know before making your decision. Let's get started. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tahir, and on this channel, I regularly review the latest AI software, affiliate marketing tools, and online business products to help you decide whether they're really worth your money. Today, we're taking a closer look at AutoChannel AI, a brand new launchpad software that claims to simplify the entire process of creating faceless YouTube videos using artificial intelligence. We'll explore its features, see how it works, discuss the pros and cons, take a look at the pricing, and most importantly, I'll share my honest opinion on whether it's worth buying. And don't forget, if you purchase through my link in the description, you'll get my 6 exclusive bonus package completely free, on top of all the vendor bonuses. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive into the review. What is AutoChannel AI? AutoChannel AI is a cloud-based software designed mainly for people who want to create faceless YouTube channels without hiring freelancers or learning complicated editing software. Instead of using separate tools for keyword research, script writing, AI, voiceovers, video creation, thumbnail design, SEO optimization, AutoChannel AI combines everything into one platform. The goal is simple. Enter your topic, let AI generate the content, review it, and publish it. It aims to reduce the amount of manual work involved in producing YouTube videos. Now let's see the video.
Profitable faceless YouTube channel. Without showing your face, without recording your voice, without editing videos, without hiring freelancers, and without spending hours trying to figure out what to post. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Thanks to the latest breakthroughs in AI, anyone can now build a professional faceless YouTube channel with the power of AI, faster and easier than ever before. Did you know? Faceless YouTube channels have created more millionaires than most businesses in history. Thousands of creators have built faceless YouTube channels and are earning $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month without showing their face, recording their own voice, appearing on camera, hiring a big team. All they do is publish engaging videos consistently and let YouTube work for them. If they can do it, why not you? And here's what makes this opportunity so exciting. Faceless YouTube channels are generating millions of views, thousands of subscribers, AdSense revenue, affiliate commissions, and passive income every single day. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own profitable faceless YouTube channel using AI. Let's be real. YouTube isn't just a video platform anymore. It's one of the biggest online business opportunities in the world today. Every single day, billions of YouTube videos are watched. Creators earn from AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Ordinary people are building profitable online businesses from anywhere in the world. And here's the best part. People don't care who created the video. They care that it's valuable, engaging, and entertaining. That's why faceless YouTube channels are growing faster than ever. The audience already exists. The demand keeps growing. The opportunity has never been bigger. But if the opportunity is so massive, why aren't more people taking advantage of it? Because there's one big problem. For years, building a profitable faceless YouTube channel was slow, expensive, and overwhelming. You had to spend hours researching profitable niches, find viral video ideas, write engaging scripts, record voiceovers, edit videos using complicated software, design eye-catching thumbnails, optimize titles, descriptions, tags, and YouTube SEO, upload and publish videos consistently, then repeat the entire process week after week. For most people, it's simply too much work, too expensive, too time-consuming. That's why most aspiring creators never launch or quit after uploading just a few videos. But thanks to today's breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, everything has changed. Instead of doing everything yourself, AI can now discover profitable niches, find trending topics, write high-converting scripts, generate ultra-realistic AI voiceovers, create professional faceless videos, design high-converting thumbnails, optimize YouTube SEO, publish videos automatically, help grow your channel on autopilot. The question is no longer, can AI help you build a successful YouTube channel? The real question is, which AI can build, run, and grow your entire YouTube business automatically? That's exactly why we created AutoChannel AI. Introducing AutoChannel AI, the world's first autonomous OpenClaw AI agent that builds, runs, and grows profitable faceless YouTube channels from a single prompt. No script writing, no filming, no voice recording, no video editing, no monthly AI fees. Just launch, grow, and profit. So what makes AutoChannel AI different? Most AI tools only help you with one small task. One writes scripts, another creates videos, another generates voiceovers, another helps with SEO. You're still stuck switching between multiple tools and doing most of the work yourself. AutoChannel AI is different. It's not just another AI content creation tool. It's an autonomous OpenClaw AI agent that researches, plans, creates, optimizes, publishes, and helps grow your YouTube channel automatically. From one single prompt, all from one powerful dashboard. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Log in. Simply log into your AutoChannel AI dashboard from any device. Step 2. Enter your idea. Type any idea, keyword, or niche, and let AutoChannel AI do the rest. It researches, writes, creates, optimizes, and prepares everything for publishing automatically. Step 3. Publish, grow, and profit. Publish your video with one click, or let AutoChannel AI schedule and publish it automatically while helping your channel grow on autopilot. That's it. Whether you're a beginner, affiliate marketer, agency, freelancer, coach, business owner, or content creator, AutoChannel AI gives you everything you need to launch profitable faceless YouTube channels. One faceless YouTube channel can become a 24/7 digital asset that generates passive income around the clock. Unlike social media posts that disappear within hours, a single faceless YouTube channel can continue generating traffic, leads, and income for months or even years. That means every video you publish on YouTube channel has the potential to keep bringing you free organic traffic, YouTube ad revenue, affiliate commissions, email subscribers, qualified leads, high-paying clients, brand authority, sales of digital products and courses, new business opportunities, long after you click publish. That's why entrepreneurs, marketers, agencies, coaches, and businesses are building faceless YouTube channels faster than ever before. Because one successful channel isn't just content. It's a digital asset that can work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Imagine waking up tomorrow, knowing your videos are being published automatically, your subscribers are growing, your views keep increasing, and your channel is generating traffic and income without writing, without recording, without editing. Instead of managing one channel, imagine owning 5, 10, or even 20 across different niches. The people who automate today will dominate tomorrow. Let's talk about value. If you hired professionals to build just one profitable faceless YouTube channel, you could easily spend the $500, $1,000, even $5,000 or more. But today, you won't pay thousands. You won't pay monthly subscriptions, because during this special launch, you can get AutoChannel AI for a low one-time fee. Pay once, use it forever. It gets even better. Your purchase is completely risk-free. You're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, we'll refund every penny. But don't wait. This is a limited-time launch offer. Once it ends, the price will increase. Lifetime access may disappear. Exclusive bonuses may be removed. So if you want to lock in the lowest price, now is the time to act. The only question is, will you keep building YouTube channels the hard way? Or let AutoChannel AI's autonomous OpenClaw AI agent build, publish, and grow your YouTube business automatically? Click the button below now to get instant access to AutoChannel AI. Launch profitable faceless YouTube channels, grow your audience, create multiple income streams, and start building your own 24/7 digital assets. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below to secure your copy of AutoChannel AI today before this special launch offer disappears. We'll see you inside.
My opinion, now here's my honest opinion, I don't believe any AI tool can completely automate YouTube success. You still need good ideas, consistency, quality, content, attractive thumbnails, audience research. AutoChannel AI won't magically make a channel go viral. However, if your biggest problem is the time required to create videos, then this software could significantly speed up your workflow by bringing several production tasks into one place. Pricing at the time of recording. The front-end price is advertised at $14.97 as a one-time payment, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee. As with many software launches, optional upgrades may be offered during checkout, so review them carefully before purchasing. Exclusive bonuses. If you purchase AutoChannel AI using my link below this video, you will also receive these exclusive bonuses absolutely free. Simply send me your purchase receipt, and I'll deliver your bonuses as quickly as possible. So, is AutoChannel AI worth buying? If you're looking for a tool that helps reduce the workload involved in creating faceless YouTube videos and brings multiple AI features together in one dashboard, then AutoChannel AI looks like an interesting option to explore. Just remember that AI can speed up production, but long-term YouTube success still depends on creating valuable, original content and continually improving your strategy. If you want to grab AutoChannel AI along with my exclusive bonuses, simply click the first link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video,